Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up the Bitcoin.com app. First, head to your device's App Store, whether it's Apple's App Store or Google Play, and search for the Bitcoin.com wallet application. Once you find it, download and install it. After installation, open the app and you'll be prompted to create your very first wallet. This initial step is quick and straightforward, getting you ready for your crypto journey. Now let's create your wallet. Tap on Create New Wallet. The app will then generate a unique 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is incredibly important. It's your master key. Write it down on paper and store it in a secure, private location, perhaps even 2 separate places. Never share it digitally. Finally, set a strong passcode or enable biometric security like fingerprint or Face ID for daily access protection. With your wallet set up, you're ready to receive and send funds. To receive, simply tap the Receive button. You'll see your unique wallet address and a QR code. Share this with anyone sending you Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. To send, tap Send. Enter the recipient's address, the amount, and confirm. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction to ensure your funds go to the correct destination. Finally, let's talk about managing your digital assets. The app provides a clear transaction history, allowing you to track all your incoming and outgoing funds. You can also explore other integrated features, such as buying more Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash directly, selling your crypto, or even swapping between different assets. Remember, always practice good security habits and verify all transaction details before finalizing any transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.